Om Shanti. Today is 21st October 21. Baba says, sweet children, no one is as fortunate as you, because the Father to whom the whole world is calling out is teaching you, and you talk to Him. Question: what are the signs of the children who know how to churn the ocean of knowledge? Answer: their intellects are concerned throughout the day about how to show everyone the path and benefit them. They continue to make new plans for doing service. All the knowledge continues to trickle into their intellects. They never waste their time. So these are the signs of those children who know how to churn the ocean of knowledge and who are actually doing that. Now, essence for dharana. First point: don't waste your time in listening to or speaking about things that are of no use to you. As much as possible, pay full attention to studying. Second, constantly maintain zeal and happiness about who is teaching you. Never stop making effort. Only let jewels of knowledge emerge through your lips. So it's all about attention. If I have attention for study, attention towards what I'm speaking, what I'm thinking, then I can follow Baba's Shrimat completely. Blessing. May you be doubly non-violent and constantly experience happiness and peace by remaining stable in your Sato Pradhan stage. May you be doubly non-violent and constantly experience happiness and peace by remaining stable in your Sato Pradhan stage. Constantly remain stable with your Sato Pradhan sanskars and experience peace and happiness. This is true non-violence. Violence means anything through which you experience sorrow and peacelessness. So check throughout the day, do I commit any type of violence? If you make someone's stage fluctuate with your words, that too is violence. Second, if you are suppressing your Sato Pradhan sanskars and putting other sanskars in a practical form, that is also violence. So it's a very subtle definition of violence which Baba is giving us in today's blessing. Therefore, become refined. So here when Baba says become refined, it is making your intellect refine. Or you can say using the intellect which is given by Baba. That is already a refined intellect because that is divine. The more divine it becomes, pure it becomes, it is more refined. So therefore, become refined and have the awareness of being a great soul and doubly non-violent. Slogan: as soon as a falsehood becomes mixed with the truth, your happiness disappears. So Baba has told in this slogan, if sometimes I'm losing my happiness is disappearing, or the percentage of happiness is coming down, then what is the reason? As soon as a falsehood becomes mixed with the truth, your happiness disappears. Om Shanti.